I'm Dr. Seshu from Hyderabad. Basically, I am a maxillofacial surgeon. So I more interested to do the cosmetic procedures, which I am doing, but still a lack of knowledge in this. So I heard about Dr. Aslam Inamdar and Dr. Midun's program. So I eager to attend the course. After attending this course, I gained a lot of experience and quality how to do the cosmetic work in detail. So I am very happy to say that anybody you can attend the course and learn more quality of cosmetic work. In this era or in future, in this digital smile designing and RichSmile design is very important for all of the doctors. If you want a good quality of treatment to give your patient, you must learn. I will recommend this course for all of you.